Picking your teeth in public. Picking your teeth in public. Meaning: removing food from your teeth in view of others. Meaning: removing food from your teeth in view of others. Spitting. Spitting. Forcefully expelling saliva from your mouth. Forcefully expelling saliva from your mouth. Grinding your teeth. Grinding your teeth. Clenching or rubbing your teeth together. Clenching or rubbing your teeth together. Snoring. Snoring. Making a loud noise while sleeping due to blocked airways. Making a loud noise while sleeping due to blocked airways. Sticking out your tongue. Sticking out your tongue. Protruding your tongue from your mouth. Protruding your tongue from your mouth. Backbiting. Backbiting. Talking badly about someone who isn't there. Talking badly about someone who isn't there. Littering. Littering. Throwing trash on the ground instead of in a bin. Throwing trash on the ground instead of in a bin. Smoking. Smoking. Inhaling smoke from cigarettes or other tobacco products. Inhaling smoke from cigarettes or other tobacco products. Nail biting. Nail biting. Biting your fingernails. Biting your fingernails. Being rude. Being rude. Acting in a disrespectful or impolite manner. Acting in a disrespectful or impolite manner. Blaming others. Blaming others. Talking badly about someone who isn't there. Talking badly about someone who isn't there. Overeating. Overeating. Eating more food than needed. Eating more food than needed. Slouching. Slouching. Sitting or standing with poor posture, shoulders hunched. Sitting or standing with poor posture, shoulders hunched. hair pulling, hair pulling. Tugging or pulling on your hair, tugging or pulling on your hair. Putting dishes in the sink, putting dishes in the sink. Leaving dirty dishes in the sink without cleaning them, leaving dirty dishes in the sink without cleaning them. Sleeping with makeup, sleeping with makeup. Not washing off makeup before going to bed, not washing off makeup before going to bed. Biting your lips, biting your lips. Chewing on your lips, chewing on your lips. Drinking energy drinks, drinking energy drinks. Consuming drinks that boost energy, often high in caffeine and sugar. Consuming drinks that boost energy, often high in caffeine and sugar. Picking your nose, picking your nose. Using your finger to remove mucus from your nose. Using your finger to remove mucus from your nose. Overspending, overspending. Spending more money than you have or more than necessary. Spending more money than you have or more than necessary. Overthinking, overthinking. Thinking too much about something, causing stress or confusion. Thinking too much about something, causing stress or confusion. Drinking alcohol, drinking alcohol. Consuming beverages that contain alcohol. Consuming beverages that contain alcohol. Talking too much, talking too much. Speaking excessively, often without regard for others. Speaking excessively, often without regard for others. Betraying trust, betraying trust. Breaking someone's confidence or trust. Breaking someone's confidence or trust. Cheating, cheating. Breaking rules to gain an unfair advantage, especially in games or tests. Breaking rules to gain an unfair advantage, especially in games or tests. Bullying, bullying. Intimidating or mistreating others repeatedly. Intimidating or mistreating others repeatedly. Slurping soup. Slurping soup. Making noise while eating soup. Making noise while eating soup. Complaining too much. Complaining too much. Expressing dissatisfaction or annoyance frequently. Expressing dissatisfaction or annoyance frequently. Being a workaholic. Being a workaholic. Working excessively and not taking breaks or time off. Working excessively and not taking breaks or time off. Leaving the toilet seat up. Leaving the toilet seat up. Not putting the toilet seat down after use. Not putting the toilet seat down after use. Annoying people on purpose. Annoying people on purpose. Deliberately doing things to irritate others. Deliberately doing things to irritate others.